Welcome to Mr. Peacock and Friends. I wonder what Mr. Peacock will be doing today. Let's find out, but first I have to find him. Do you know where Mr. Peacock is? Mr. Peacock! Mr. Peacock!
I'm here.
Oh, there you are, Mr. Peacock. We're wondering what you're going to be doing today.
Today, I'm going to take you to a very special museum.
A very special museum?
Oh, yes, there's so much you can learn in this museum.
Shall we go to this museum and learn something?
Let's go, Mrs. Peacock. I can't wait to get started. Let's go.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
Let's go.
We're in West Branch, Iowa. Right behind us is the Herbert Hoover Presidential Museum and Library. And boy, this is quite a place to have in our state of Iowa.
Yeah, that's right. A lot of people don't realize how many very important people came from this part of the country. I think it's very interesting, and we're very honored to have this.
And it's not too far down the road from where we live. In fact, my very close cousin from the East Coast, who is a professor at a major university on the East Coast, spent many weeks here researching the president for a project that he was writing about. And it's so important, if you want to do research about this wonderful 31st president, this is the place to come. If you come here, you could make arrangements to get in there, and you could spend all the time you need to study the old volumes of books, and they're old-fashioned, and that's the way the libraries used to be, and boy, you can get some valuable information about our wonderful 31st president.
I bet it's really interesting, but I think we should check out the rest of this park.
By the way, you have his gravesite, which you can check out after you visit the Museum and Presidential Library. Then you have the President's Prairie, and it's a very fun hike. Get your hiking shoes on because it's about a 2-mile hike. And then, of course, don't forget the Visitor Center, which is a very important place to stop before you leave for the day.
But now I want to go see his birthplace.
So let's go check it out.
Okay.
If you like our videos,
Please subscribe
like
and share.
with all your friends.